Dahlia, thank you for making time to hang out with us here in Little America. Tell me, what is Little America?
Little America is a collection of queer and BIPOC chefs. It's super important that everybody be from like a similar community so that we can help support each other. Right at the beginning of the bikini barista boom, I was just like, I want to do that, but like my version. I just make it like way more gay and way more fun. We do 100% vegan food, but our menu is not catered just towards vegans. My favorite is probably like our shakes. We have Oreo shake, mango shake. Our Crunch Wrap is like a classic Crunch Wrap with all like locally sourced produce, ingredients.
What is Frybaby?
The Korean fried chicken business that serves Korean fried chicken and Southern-inspired Korean sides.
You gotta tell me more about this fried chicken.
We focus really heavily on the crunch. Our batter is made of rice, potato, tapioca, vodka, and makgeolli. We do wings, drumsticks, and sandwiches. The snow cheese is a blend of white cheddar powder, Parmesan, and a few other ingredients. It's a little sweet, a little savory.
What's special to you about Central Eastside?
There is an extreme amount of diversity in terms of bars and restaurants in this little pocket. HeyLove is one of my favorite bars of all time.
We are at the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry, also known as OMSI. We are a hands-on interactive science museum. People can come explore any of our multiple exhibitions. We have our planetarium. Children can come explore our science playground or the curium space. A really fun tour experience is actually touring the USS Blueback submarine. Being able to open a space like that to the public is a really unique experience.
What else is there to check out in Central Eastside?
I recently went shopping at a place called Cargo. Cargo has all these different independent artists and businesses.
When people come to Kachka, what's the experience you want them to have?
We really love to encourage people to eat and drink in the Eastern European style. Start with a couple of shots of horseradish vodka and some herring under a fur coat. Then I'd have a bowl of one of our dumplings and then some cabbage rolls.
So what are some other places that we should check out in Central Eastside neighborhood?
Hopscotch, which is a really incredible interactive art museum.
What are some of the things that make Central Eastside so special?
I mean, it's an actual industrial part of the city, and so you really get that collaborative spirit here. It's just a really beautiful feeling.